In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone and making sure you're connected to the internet so your change syncs right away. On the main chats screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. This is where WhatsApp keeps extra options that aren't visible at first glance. From that menu, select Settings. Think of Settings as your control center for everything related to your account. At the very top of the settings screen, you'll see your name alongside your current profile photo. Tap that area to open your profile page and get ready to update the picture. On your profile page, tap your existing picture. You'll see a small camera icon appear or become active. Tap the camera icon to begin changing your photo. WhatsApp will ask how you'd like to update it. Choose whether to take a new photo or select one from your gallery. If you pick Take Photo, your camera will open. Frame your face or subject in good, even light, avoid harsh shadows, and then capture the shot. If you choose Gallery, browse to a clear, high-resolution image you already love. Centered photos with some space around the subject work best because WhatsApp displays your picture in a circle and can trim the edges slightly. If prompted, allow WhatsApp access to your camera or photos. These permissions are needed just to complete this change. After you select an image, you'll see a crop or adjust screen. Drag the image to center it and pinch to zoom in or out until it looks right to you. Keep important details away from the corners to prevent them from being cut off in the circular preview. A simple background and a sharp, well-lit subject usually look the most professional. When you're happy with the framing, tap Done or OK to save. Give it a moment to update. Your new profile picture will appear on your profile page and will sync across your devices. If it doesn't show immediately, wait a few seconds or close and reopen WhatsApp. For the best results, avoid heavy filters that reduce clarity and try not to overzoom since that can make the image look pixelated. Also remember that who can see your profile photo depends on your privacy settings. If you've limited visibility to your contacts, only people saved in your address book will see the update. That's it. You opened WhatsApp, used the menu to get to settings, tapped your profile, changed the photo with the camera icon, chose or captured an image, and finished by cropping and saving. Enjoy your refreshed profile picture.